But mainly we use A and B. But in Austria and Germany, there's so many different problems for the hardness. Very, very hard. But in here it's not much. That's why A and B is enough both. For example, when the tone split, we are making the tones. In the tones, there is some tones can be the water coming through here, or you have some fountains here. You make, some mechanical fountains or something. You can use in the tones straight here. There is A and C, there is another one is B. For the phones, it's not like swimming pool. For the phones, 1 meter up to 40, 50,000. For the river, 1 meter up to 200,000 liters. That means 1 liter cleans 50,000, 1 liter cleans 200,000 with systems. I will explain how. Here, very important, when there is some fish in, then we have to very gently to apply it. We have to put here A, it has to come this up, and we have to go only here, apply around it. We don't have to put anything here when there is some fish. And we put only A and there is some B. We put that one, and this is the only the product. And we have here automatically, we don't have to put here. But when the big pond is, then we have to clean the pond, like a little boat, but not electric boat, like bicycle boat. Little boat goes through like that. So, then the pond we put inside the boat A and B. 2 tanks. First goes the B, and second is the A. When we have two boats, we can do A goes first, B goes first, for example, A goes behind. This leg or this pond, for the big leg, we don't need to clean. We have another third one, very, very big leg. We don't need to clean all the legs. We have to clean only, actually it's 2 parts. Like, we go like this, like that, like that, like this. So, that means we have to clean it because one part of the way goes for immediacy. Not like normal water. For example, normal water, when you put normal water here, normal water goes only here because vibration is the same, but our vibration is different, then vibration goes immediately all over the area. Even when you put a wave in the ocean, that's why 1 meter for the ocean cleaning a wave, we saw already in the experience practicing 1 up to 500,000, sometimes maybe. That means it's molecularly expanding and making. Did you see in the movie some movement? This is very incredible inside, even the oil, because there is nothing stopping away from the vibration. Completely different vibration. I will explain later on the soil what happens in Uganda. But importantly, away not like another technique, like chlorine effect or another system. What it is, even some aluminum sulfate or something like this. But we have a fluorinate. We have some fluorinate too. We use natural the polyaluminum, which is polyaluminum in the air also, in the atmosphere we use. But algorithm, when in polyaluminum, that's encapsulated also in the system that's working completely different method. Because for the fluorinate. That means this, after the treatment, this is not only the swimming pool, not only the pond, that's for the healing water. That's not only that healing all the living things and also healing for the human. I saw many people around the world when I was working. We have a lot of people. And they have a skin, I don't like this to say, skin, unbalanced skin and so, they have really beautiful results, only just going in. And each individual, when we clean that one, we check the water first, that of course, always we are taking sample. We are treating first sample with 1 or 2 liters inside. We saw how the pollution is. Later on, we go in. We know exactly, no matter how big it is. But we are calculating only 1 part of the flow. Not 2%. 1/4 part. We are calculating how much is, like we call, when we have 1 million cubic meters, we have water to clean 250,000. Not 1 million, because awareness is moving this. And from the sample, we know how much we are going to use. For example, can be usable 40,000, or 40,000, 50,000, or 200,000. Depends on how the pollution is. Or sometimes when the inside the movement is too much movement, happening, of course, that would be nice. But what I'm saying, when it's not moving, when the water is not moving, then we have to be with our observation of this thing. But when the water moves, like when the river is, for example, think about here, river. In the river, we have here 1 tank, here another tank, here, bottom of the river. So, there is some pipe. A and B. A goes, there's 2 pipes. One is A, another one B. Goes directly. When injected away here, immediately in here, in 20 minutes later, of course the TFT, but 20 minutes later, this dark water becomes very crystal water, and smell is no more. And bacteriologically is water is clean, but after that, of course, this area, when pollution comes from the industry or another area, we make one like a waterfall like this, and then we inject again right where the pollution comes. We inject that one. That can be dropping systems. Like this is also dropping systems. So with dropping systems, when most important thing also, we offer that manufacturing. We offer that, the factory. We say that, okay, please, we offer you products. When you use our product, you don't need to give any kind of polluted water in the river. You recycle to yourself. Even when they don't want recycle, they want to make, they want to, whatever they want to out, that will be helping for, when they use our product, they will help that, the river to be clean, automatically. Because our product, what we use, is 1 liter normal detergent, completely poisoning 10,000 liters water in the canal. That's why we have all this problem. But 1 liter aqua, whatever the product is, clean up to 50,000 liters. Can you imagine? That's why we call. If the aqua was use all the different products in the planet, 5% when they use in the city, without some knowledge, they will clean automatically all the rivers, all canals, whatever necessary that the water is or underground. So this is very basically, and even people, for example, when I make with you guys, we go one pipeline in the bottom, without no knowledge, then they will automatically see why is this clean here. They will never know what is happening. But when we are cleaning the lake, of course they will see, even they will not complain. In the night we go, with with the boat, in the morning, they will see what happens. When we are not explaining to people what has happened, this is technology, so they will think. Some of them, they were telling me in Australia what happened. When I was cleaning a big yard, and they said to me, like little kids came, in the morning I was working, they said, we heard that you grew because today we had, here it's clean. Next day, only children must jump in the water. Of course, the newspaper and everything, they write it. Then what happened is, in that area, government must explain to them what happened. The children, they put on the ice glue. You know what the glue is, yeah? They think that was the one who comes, like, once a day, like, then he put that, they said that I can put my finger, and I can create that one. Then next day I give a speech for television. I said, no, this is something different. That's why I say wonder, Wunderwater. So the water Wunderman, Wonder Man, so like that. But it is, we will be all Wonder Man, but we have explained this is not only what we're talking. One of the friends was not all focus. This is technology. That's why we have to inform that, of course, the vibrational energy is very important. And now, of course, Austria, Germany, France, and everything, now they understood it is technology, it is this, and everything is very clear. But in the beginning, of course, when we go without saying, some of the friends of us, he said to me, Danny was saying to me, he was saying to me, why you don't go? We got some dinner there. Why you don't go? We can make it here. The next day people will be there. I said, yeah, okay. Next day we'll be happy. Next day we have more trouble than today. You remember? This is very important to be with the knowledge. This is very important to explain to people how the effect. That's why, okay, for the lighting, it means only we have to refuse all the time the electric motor. Or an electric motor could be okay, but I mean no fuel oil motor. I mean the bulb or something.